good morning. Happy Saturday. We are, what are we doing? We weren't supposed to go out until later on tonight, but we just got a call over in Castleberry. There's a pickup, so just back half of the trailer. I don't think we're taking off any of these bikes or anything else. We're just gonna roll with it. Roll with it. All right. I'll bring you back once we get there. All right, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think we made things a little bit more difficult on ourselves than we needed it to be. But I'm pretty sure we could still get it all. And by me saying I'm pretty sure we can get it all, it's all going on here. So that's fun. All right. Just got to figure out how we're gonna do it. These can go up front. Oh, maybe I was thinking of putting that fridge, but maybe we put all this and we just front stack that. Oh, okay. Pans. We'll have to clean that out. If we can get everything kind of tucked in, that fridge can go in last. Ooh. Well, this is a good start to the week, ain't it? I mean, and we gave them a card. It's a crew, so hopefully we get a little return action on this one. Once again, though, big shout outs to Brian of Plumenteca, Central Florida. He is the only reason we're even here right now. He's always keeping an eye out for me. Yes, sir.
There's some more like frame boxes.
Okay.
If you want to.
Cool. Yeah. Once I load all this up, I'll come over that way. All right. And we are still locked out of Facebook. Yay! It's okay. Actually, what it's done is it's motivated me. Motivated me to get all my stuff done. Get my own platform going. And then I don't need them. So, yes. All right, this is definitely going to be interesting. Fridge is next. Fridge time. Yep. Yep. We should all sing. Don't you think? There's like a chorus. We started singing last night at the Christmas party. It was impromptu. Look at that. Look at the angle. Oh no. Yeah. That's how you do it, son. Oh, you're stinky. Maybe we'll put the doors on, huh? Ah, no, we'll let the doors ride. We'll let the doors ride. Look at us go. I love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, we didn't let her drop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So that's a Saturday morning, ain't it? Holy goodness. Let's find a place to finish putting that stuff. That's a nice load. This is really a great way to start a Saturday. Great way to start a weekend. That is undoubtedly what's up. Nice. All right, we're just gonna strap this down and that's gonna be the end of it. Get home and unload it. So he said there's like a couple of little boxes or something in there, so we'll go grab that as well. But great way to start a weekend. Holy goodness. Huh? Are you guys excited? I'm excited. I'm excited. They can give me one of these a week. You just call, I'll come running. They called this morning. I was like, yep. Here I come. Have some fun. Okay. Isn't this something? Cords, more cords. Oh, no way. Look at that. That is old. I bet you that's worth something. sad. Some of these pictures. That is a score right there. In the original box. I wonder if there's a date on there anywhere. Uh-oh. Books. You know who likes books? This guy. Oh, what did I hear? Nice. All these books. More books. Have a new job being a book finder. Finder of books. I think I'd be good at that job. Well then. It's not too bad for just driving home, huh? Nope. Really glad that one didn't have a worse impact. Okay, so good afternoon. We are out here playing with stuff. And as you can see right here, this thing was making a heck of a noise underneath there. And it was this. It was hitting the top of the fan back there, was hitting this. See that? And causing all that. And that was the noise. So that's probably why they threw it out. It's getting cold. Lauren was talking about keeping it, making this Anu cooler. But it's cold. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work fine. So that's interesting. That is definitely interesting. So we'll put that back together. And then, yeah, I gotta find a spot in the garage or in the backyard or something for it. It's so cool. Very cool. I am into it. I am into it. So I just wanted to bring you in and show you. The cooler is good to go. We are just now starting to unpack. Mama is gone. There is no saving us. It is just me and the kids now. So that's a thing. Please send help. For them or for me. For both of us. Alright, well that's a win. We'll take any wins we can get. Look, it's a deer. It's a deer right there. You see him? How you doing, Mr. Deer? No, he's not scared of anything. Usually they're all finicky. Alright, we're out with the girls. Say hi, girls.
Hi, I'm Shaming.
Alright, yeah. And we haven't found anything yet. So we're still looking. Uh-oh, no, that's a mailbox. I thought, oh, there's something. But no, it's just a mailbox. right, so we're gonna keep looking. We'll keep you updated. First thing of the night, some fans. Oh, I just dumped water all in my shoe. Ugh, horrible. Yeah, gotta break these off. Sure. That's all right. Here, load this up. Here, put those in a nice pile. I'll load them up. You just put them in a nice pile. Remember, team. Yeah, make sure they're nice. This one we'll just take with us. That looks like a Star Trooper now. All right, girls, let's go back in the car. Boom, here we go. Hey, Christmas tree time. Here's another one. Yep. Christmas trees. All right, good. We'll take that. We will take that. Ain't that right, girls? We will take that. Hey, it was just great celebration inside the car. What do you think, girls? Oh, who said dryer?
I did.
Claire did. Guess what we found?
I did.
Dryer.
Or dryer.
Huh? I know, you said a whole kitchen set. We're pulling for you, neighbor Ava. I hope you're right next. So we can get a whole kitchen set in here.
A washing machine.
No, this is a dryer. Yeah, we're making noise outside of his house. All right. With the Christmas trees. Very good. Very good. Put the pin in, Clary. Good, let's load up. Hitting the old, we are back in our neighborhood. Doing the old roundup. The old Saturday night roundup. So, yay. Girls are tired. Just grabbing the medal. Thank you, sir. All right. And that is a wrap. That is a wrap for the night. We wanted to get one more thing, and we got it. So, we are all done. All done. Girls are tired. They've had enough. All right, happy Sunday. It is about 11 o'clock, right around there. And we are just going out now. This is what we've gotten so far, pretty much all Saturday. And we are about to hit the road. We took the morning off, so hopefully we can find a load before we go out tonight. and then that'll be it. Mama's not home, so me and the kids hung out this morning anyway, so. All right, let's go find something. Hi. Welcome back. Oh, it's dry time in the neighborhood. Oh man, we've hit almost 2 neighborhoods now and nothing. And then we get this bad girl. So I think our luck is changing. It's changing for the better. I'll grab that too. Come on. Oh. Yep. Boom. We like that. Gotta try to grab a load. Right now, I think we already have Monday's first load in the back. I think we got enough for Monday right now. So right now, we are working on Tuesday's, hopefully 3rd load. So, let's see how much we get. Oh yeah, we are late. We are really late too. I actually thought maybe somebody jumped us and got here before us, but maybe not. But we didn't leave. I didn't leave until like 11 something. Almost 11:30. Waited till Lauren got home. The girls wanted to come out, but I don't know. We kind of hung around the house, cleaned up the house a little bit for Mama, that sort of thing. So me and the girls had fun last night. All right, yeah, off we go. Oh no, we gotta strap down. Ooh, couple chairs. We've been through a couple more neighborhoods. Oh boy, our luck's changing. Oh look, we got something from here last week too. If you guys remember, last week we had the kitchen mat. I remember talking about that. All right, cool, very cool. Let's see what we got for battery here. 55. We are epic. That is what's up. Thing loaded with Christmas lights. Loaded. Nice. Yeah, a couple little neighborhoods on the way home. It's a nice little anything we can do to get this second load. Like I said, this is probably going to be Tuesday's load. So, anything we can get in here. We're just going to hit a couple spots as we wander home. Knew it. I knew we'd pick up. I knew we would. We always do. We always figure it out, right, gang? Oh, this wrist is back on. The strap is back on. We are back in action. Hey look, there's a dryer up there. How cool is that? Woo. Let's just do it this way. That better grip on it. Couple dryers. We like that. Well, okay. This is load number 1 for the Sunday. And this is probably gonna be the only Sunday load on this video. That's kind of what we did. Went out for about 2 hours and this is what we got. I just picked up this water heater and this right here. Yeah. So, and then back here, this is what we got. So, we'll take the rest of that out, load it up. I don't think we have 2 loads here, but we'll see. We'll see. It'll be close. Good enough for the weekend. Getting in Christmas mode. It's like tonight. I'm going out now and I'm trying to be done early. That way we're only gonna do 1 more load. That way I can be home with the fam. Do some more Christmas stuff tonight. So, alright, we'll check in 1 more time when we get this all loaded. Let you see what the end result is. And then going out for run number 1. A new week. Alright, see you in a little bit. Well, that there is the end of the weekend video. And this is what we're left with. So, I don't know, we're packed back there. So, I mean, it's gonna be close. Load and a half, load and 3/4. We may have 2 loads here. Maybe close with all the bikes and stuff. That was pretty much a load from the bikes back there. So get all this in a load. Yeah, it's pretty much 2 loads, close. All right, that's a weekend. So I'm gonna go drop this SD card, pop in the new one, format this thing, and we're coming right back at you with our Sunday Night Monday episode. So once again, thank you all for liking, subscribing, just being overall awesome. Here we go. All right, y'all have a good day, and we will see you in about 15 minutes.